Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, find the product of xy plus x minus y minus 2 and 2xy plus 3x plus 3y minus 3. We have to find product of xy plus x minus y minus 2 and 2xy plus 3x plus 3y minus 3. Now firstly multiply with xy to the bracket. So it will be 2x square y square plus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus 3xy. Now multiply with x. So 2x square y plus 3x square plus 3xy minus 3x. Then multiply with minus y. So there will be minus 2xy square minus 3xy minus 3y square plus 3y. Then multiply with minus 2. So there will be minus 4xy minus 6x minus 6y plus 6. So after solving this, it will be 2x square y square. Then here plus 3x square y plus 2x square y plus check for xy square. So 3xy square minus 2xy square. Then for x minus 3x minus 6x. Then for xy minus 3xy plus 3xy minus 3xy minus 4xy. Then for x square, it will be 3x square only. Y square, there will be minus 3y square. Then for y, there is 3y. Here 3y minus 6y is there and constant term 6 is there. So solve this. 2x square y square plus 3x square y plus 2x square y is 5x square y plus 3x y square minus 2xy square is 1xy square. Minus 3x minus 6x is minus 9x. Then here minus 3xy plus 3xy cancel and there is only minus 7xy. Then this 3x square as it is, minus 3y square as it is, this 3y minus 6y is minus 3y plus 6 as it is.